Happy pool day, people. What is the one thing I'm missing on this thing? Storage basket. That's right.
Welcome to Life Was Ordinary. Subscribe.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about a poolside storage basket. I believe this is a two-set. There's two full storage baskets in this little box here, but let's open it up and show you what's inside. All right, guys, check it out. This was packed up really cool. It was in this one box right here. You got some instructions, but it's really self-explanatory, but definitely read the instructions. So this little side basket will connect through these holes on the side, just like that. These are your arms that will hook up here and go to the side of the pool. They send you some hooks that you put on the other side of the basket so you can hang stuff off of, goggles, whatever. And then this is kind of nifty. This actually goes on the inside of it, under the hooks, and it slides up in here just like that. And that keeps it off the wall of the pool, so it keeps everything safe. So really, since I don't like to use a tripod or anything, I'm pretty hands-on. This is so self-explanatory. These hooks, they slide right in these holes right here, and you just pop it down, it locks in. The same with the wall arms. They slide up in here into this groove, just like that. Up into this groove, pop, you slide it right in. This part slides right in the middle part here, and then you can turn this to meet the wall of the pool. All right, guys, I got the basket on. I wait a little bit till the wind to die down a little bit. Check it out. It's got hooks right here for goggles, whatever. You can put pool toys in here. You can put a towel in here. You can put your phone, put a drink, sunscreen, whatever, okay? A few things I want to point out. Here's that middle piece, and you screw this in or out to hit the wall of the pool. It is very secure on there. This ain't going nowhere, okay? I'm putting a lot of weight on it. The other one's going on that side over there. You can't really, it's blurry over there. One thing I want to point out right here on the side. This side basket only goes on one side, okay? There is a lip under here that snaps this together. If you try to put it on this side, there's no lip here. It won't snap in there. It'll be real flimsy. So this side basket only goes on one side, okay? Obviously it's got holes. If something gets wet in there, it'll drain through. It won't get dirty and nasty. I really like it. You can put food in there, drink, like I said, a towel, your phone, whatever. But again, this set comes with two. I believe it is under $60. I will put a link in the description to Amazon for this product. Check it out, and thanks for watching another video. Enjoy your pool. And before I forget, it is 16 inches by about 8 inches and very durable. It's made out of really good plastic.